Good afternoon. We are team 2 from CSCV.
I am Jiadesh from roll number 580.
I am B. Samira from roll number IC7.
I am Kodeshwar, roll number 596.
I am Shivardhan of roll number 591.
I'm Shrija from roll number 583.
So, let's see the need statement of our project named Step-Is Walking Stand. So, there is a walking stand and also crutch device, but there is no combination of both. And if we see for both, they had individual problems like we cannot use the walking stand in slidey areas, and also there is no combination of both. So by some mechanisms, mechanical things, and also by using Arduino to make automatically, we made this. So our main aim is to combine both elder people and handicapped people. They will use walking stands, right? But if we combine this crutch device to it, then there is a chance to take rest while.
So we have used components like Arduino, joystick, foam sheet, servo motors, jumper wires and breadboard. And here we used Arduino UNO, and it has 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins, and it has a USB connection to transfer data from laptop to Arduino. And we are used joystick. It has a handle and it has 4 pins. It has 4 pins and it has a handle which the movement of the input can be controlled. So here we use a joystick to control the flow motion of seat, and here we use a breadboard to give the connections of jumper wires. And here we are used servo motors. Here servo motors use it for rotating to a specific angle. And here we use jumper wires. So the total circuit is connected to the jumper wires, and we are using a Arduino cable. Through this cable we can transfer the data from laptop to Arduino.
Now I am going to explain the working. First we have to upload code to the Arduino, and we have to give input from this joystick. If we give input to this joystick, this input goes to the analog pins in Arduino, and through digital pins the output comes to servo motors. Then the servo motor rotates. This function of rotation of servo motors able to do the opening and closing of the seat.
To explain about the existing solution for our project. Based on this, we found there are some of the existing solutions like Walkie iWalk 2.0 and Walkie Combi, and one more one is foldable walking stand. When we come across these 3 items, we have manual opening and closing of a chair, where we made this project for making the step easy by making the controlling by the Arduino. And iWalk 2.0, it is a manual walking stand where we use our hands for walking. Here we don't have any crutch device or a chair for a iWalk 2.0. And when it comes to the Walkie Combi, here in Walkie Combi we have a manual chair which we put on the walking stand, so it is able to use in both purposes, like a walking stand and also a chair. And in the foldable walking stand, it is a normal walking stand, and it is used after using you can fold, and you can use
Start.
The main advantage of this is already there is existing a chair and a crutch in individually, but here we made it in such a way that the both are combined, and it is automated also. In manually we should open the chair with the help of our hands, but in here we use the joystick to move the chair up and down. This is the main advantage of this project. And the future scopes of this project are we can add a few sensors like IR sensors or other sensors to sense the objects or anything around this. And we can add few features like seeing the body temperature or fat burns in the body by the reading, by adding the few features to it.
Now we'll explain about how our project works. Here you find the joystick, and here the Arduino cable, and by this Arduino cable you are inserting the code into the Arduino. Then you see how it works by use of the joystick. It is a to and fro motion. When it is moved towards down, it is useful for just for a person to sit for some time to take rest, and then after you can close it by using this same joystick. Then after it is again used as a walking stand.